Hello, friends. It's Mr. Martinez. I'm so excited about today's writing lesson because today you're going to get to publish your final copy of your thankful writing. It has been such a long process of us coming through the introduction to now, and now you're going to be able to type up your final copy. So you were given a do now, and the question was, if somebody were to offer you a cake, which cake would you like to receive? Would you like to receive option one or option two? Personally, I would like to receive option one because it looks very pretty. It looks just like a perfect cake. It looks like Minnie Mouse, right? It's a perfect, beautiful cake. Option two looks a lot sloppy. It does not look like Minnie Mouse. It has no resemblance to the real Minnie Mouse. It's very sloppy and just not very pretty, right? And so when we do our writing, it's very important that we also give the best writing to our readers. We want them to see and read a beautiful piece of writing. We don't want our writing to be sloppy. We don't want it to be all over the place. We want to make sure that it is beautiful and perfect and ready to read. And today you're going to be able to publish your final copy. So, what are you going to be able to do today? Kipsters will be able to publish their thankful writing by typing up their final copy. So, we have been working in a Google Doc all year, not all year, but all this whole thankful unit. And we're going to be able to type up our final copy in that same Google Doc so that you have access to all of your writing and all of the good things that you have added and taken away from it. So we are in step 5 of the writing process. So we've already done our pre-writing where we brainstormed our ideas, right? We created a rough draft, so we made our sloppy copies, right? We revised it. We made our writing better by improving the quality and fixing our word choice and our organizations and our details. And we arranged, added, or subtracted sentences. We've done our editing. We've proofread and made sure that we fixed our mistakes. We fixed our spelling, our punctuation, our capitalization, and our grammar. Now we are ready to publish that beautiful work and make sure that our writing looks like the first Minnie Mouse cake, right? Not the second Minnie Mouse cake. So this is your opportunity to share your finalized work with others, and you want to make sure that you publish your best work. So here is your criteria for success in today's lesson. First, you have to make sure that your outline is completed. In just a moment, I'm going to show you and remind you what your outline is, and we've got to make sure that it is completed to be able to write our final copy. Then we're going to use our outline to type our final copy. We're going to check to make sure we have each component of our writing. We have an introduction with 2 sentences, a main idea with 3 sentences, your reason and 2 examples, main idea 2 with 3 sentences, your reason and 2 examples, and then your conclusion with 1 sentence. So in total, we should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sentences. We should have 9 sentences by the end of our writing. And then we're going to make sure we click submit in the Google form. Remember in your Google Doc that everything saves automatically, so there's no need to save it or upload it to any other piece of assignments, okay? So in just a moment, you're going to see me model how I'm going to write out my final copy using my outline and making sure that I have all of these components ready to go. So I will see you in the next section after you answer a few questions.